Hello grade 2. Today we're going to be talking about place values. So I have right here some cups that are going to help us understand place values. Each cup represents a place value. So we have one cup for the ones and another one for the tens. So let's start. Let's say we want to represent number 46, okay? So here we have number 46. So 6. Is it in the ones or is it in the tens place value? The 6 is in the ones place value, while the 4 is in the tens place value. So the 4 is actually 40, while the 6 is just 6. All right, let's have another number. So let's say we want to say 91. So right here, 91, 1 is in the ones place value, so it's just 1. And 9 is in the tens place value, so it's actually 90. Good job, you guys. Okay, let's say we want to add another cup. So we're going to have hundreds. So we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, let's say I want to make number 846. Okay, so the number is 846. We have 6 in the ones place value, 4 in the tens place value, and 8 in the hundreds place value. So the 4 is actually 40 and the 8 is actually 800. So we have 800 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, let's say we want to add another cup. So can you tell me we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So you see here, each cup, it has the numbers, but in the thousands. And here, each cup has the number, but in the hundreds. Here, each cup has the numbers, but in the tens. And here, each number has the numbers, but in the ones. So if I want to represent a new number, let's say 1,526. 1,526. You can see it right here. So the 6 is in the ones, so it's just 6. And the 2 is in the tens, so it's not 2, it's 20. And the 5 is in the hundreds, so it's not 5, it's 500. And the 1 is in the thousands, so it's 1,000. So you see, we have 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 6, and that makes our number. All right, thank you for today, grade 2. I'm going to put the video on how to make these cups in the description box below. Have fun, and I hope you enjoyed today's session. Goodbye.